So, we're gonna have a big battle with Predaking and Skyquake. Well, we're still in Cyberform modes. I don't know why, but Sideswipe said he's fine with his. Well, yeah, he is fine with it. Well, I have this junkyard. It's not that big, but there are cars. You can take smoking. As you can see, it's a big junkie. I know. Fine. At least we can still scan the vehicle. At least we can still scan the vehicle, even though it's dirty and all. Fine, we'll just wait here and look for a car, okay? Could be easy. Nothing there. Whoa. This is badass. I gotta scan this car. So, you found one? Oh yeah. It's badass. Oh. Where are the others? Oh, they just went to check the city, you know. No big deal. So, can you transform? I sure do. Kick ass.